Are you wondering why YouTube TV keeps signing you out of your account? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what might be causing this issue. If you're tired of constantly logging back in, you'll want to hear this. One common reason is too many devices being signed in at once. YouTube TV limits the number of active devices, and signing in on a new one may log you out elsewhere. Another possibility is a password change, which automatically signs you out across all devices. Using an outdated app or browser can also cause issues with saving your session. Additionally, if someone else has access to your account, they might be signing you out remotely. To fix this, remove unused devices from your account settings, ensure your password is secure, and update your app or browser. Avoid using shared accounts or public Wi-Fi, as these can sometimes lead to unexpected signouts. If this video helped you understand why YouTube TV keeps signing you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.